Oh, we got a beautiful 1964 Galaxie 500. It's done up like a lightweight with the teardrop fiberglass hood, lightweight bumpers, and it has a high performance built 390 motor under the hood, a 4-speed, and a posi rear end. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one is a price tag and a monthly payment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Professional Shop restored this car. Very impressive website I just visited. It's called Le Cars up in Wisconsin. And when you look at the car in person, it's obvious this was a professional job. This is literally a blue metallic mirror. It is absolutely straight. The lines are spot on. The fender, all these gaps, look at they're square and flush. All beautiful lines, smooth all the way to the bottom. Let's see how the door opens. Jambs are painted real slick. No vinyl top, just all beautiful paint. They put this body line there, it's supposed to simulate like the convertible look. Quarter panels, they're long and they are straight. No cracking issues at all. This is straight, clean, fits nice. Nope, the photos are done. All of this looks fantastic, straight, clean. Look behind the tire there. See the reflection of my hand? It's just like a blue metallic mirror, like I said. Down here, the rockers, there's no cracks, no bubbles. Yeah, this is really nice. Now I remember why we bought this one. Shuts real nice. The body and paint's outstanding. I want to give it a 10 because I don't see a flaw. I'm sure there's a flaw. I'm sure someone could find something, but I'm telling you, it's incredible. And it's a beautiful blue, electric blue. It's a Ford color, so if you needed touch up, it is a factory Ford color off a later model car. And again, this is a fiberglass hood. It's the teardrop that was used on their race cars. All the grille looks to be original, but in good shape. And these are fiberglass lightweight bumpers. These chrome spears are in real nice shape. The moldings down the side look like they've been restored or replaced. They look polished and beautiful. Yeah, all this stainless must have been polished. This is all bright, shiny, straight. The windshield looks new. The rubber gaskets look new. Even the rubber around the vent window. The seals, they're all soft. Door handles are an 8 out of 10. Rear windows, very good original. Then back here, tail lights, this tail panel, it's all good original. Fiberglass bumper. They put the Tasca Ford emblem on there. They were building the high performance cars and they were involved in the racing back in the day. And then it's sitting on some classic Cragar wheels with spinners, nice and wide, fatter BF Goodrich tires in the back, give it a little bit of a hot rod stance. There's a little discoloration right in here, so they're not brand new, but they're not rusty at all. They look great. Nice fancy mirror, real nice and shiny. Let's open it up. Can't wait to show you the motor. You just touch this key and it opens. I accidentally touched it and it opened before we started. Uh, yeah, again, a professional paint job. Look at under the trunk lid. Look at the latch mechanism. Got new bolts. The jambs painted just as slick, except for some of the wax dust. Weather strip is replaced. Then you can see inside the trunk's painted real nice. It's all glued down, but it's all solid. Has the reproduction mat. Comes with this bag. Looks like it comes with a couple extras, probably halogen headlights, seat belts. That'll go with the car. It has the side panels. It's got a real clean trunk. This paint is about as nice as you'll find on any car. Even the jambs. You can tell they were all painted. Weather strips are real nice. And it has the factory type blue interior. The car was restored in 2016. They say they replaced the door panels, reproduction door panels. The cranks are real nice and shiny. The dash is painted like the satin blue color. All original instrument panel and all the knobs, all that looks real good. And then up on the top here, we got the Sport Comp tachometer We have a retro stereo here. And then we have a couple oil and water temperature gauges. Glove box is clean. Heater box is clean. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are very nice. And then you got a Hurst 4-speed. The upholstery's been redone. See how they had the little bit of chrome trim back then in the day? That's cool stuff. Got nice carpet in back, and also wall-to-wall reupholstered. And there is sound deadener underneath the floor too. Rear shelf has been replaced. Inside lights work. The headliner is a nice clean white headliner. Visors look good. Mirrors crystal clear. Nice original steering wheel's been repainted. Got everything you need. A 4-speed and a radio. A bench seat to sit next to your sweetheart. Okay, there's some 427 emblems and stickers. They were keeping with that the old vintage lightweight theme. That's what they use. But it's an FE 390 block, and it's built. It's got a hot cam, has aluminum heads, aluminum intake, big giant dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke, dressed up with the Ford chrome air cleaner and valve covers, and then custom made headers. The front two go in front of the suspension, the back two go behind. So those are custom headers. You can see the whole engine bay very nicely painted, complete with the windshield washers are all hooked up. You got the old Ford bag. The battery is secured. Runs cool with an aluminum radiator and a factory overflow tank and an aluminum Edelbrock water pump. This is a flamethrower Pertronix electronic ignition. Notice even the oil filters, Motorcraft. It does have a rev limiter right here. And being a lightweight hood, they took the springs off, used this rod to hold it up. That's a clean engine compartment, and that's a fun engine, and Michael's going to show you what I'm talking about. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, got the old Galaxie here. Not every day we get one of these at the museum. Sounds great too. 390 under the hood. Nice little performance build on it. And it's got 4-speed manual as well. So this one should be fun to bang that around. Really tough looking teardrop hood scoop there. Love that thing. Of course, you got your traditional auto meter up here. Really nice professional build. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're doing 60. Feels good. Nice and quick. See how it goes down the road here. I should drive nice and straight. Good job on the build on this one. Really nice car overall. Contact our sales team if you want to come down for a test drive. Just give us a day's notice, but you're always more than welcome here at the museum. Other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is very clean, and it comes with some manuals, and there's an appraisal that was done a long time ago, and it says they started with a clean, rust-free car. The floors look to be real nice, clean metal, all painted black. The frame is clean. The appraisal also says they redid the brakes and suspension at the time of the restoration. It does have a custom exhaust. It's a fat exhaust, all welded, has the X pipe and Flowmaster mufflers. Fuel tank was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Ford Blue. That is a top loader 4-speed transmission. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a Ford 9-inch rear end, and it has 325 traction lock gears. That's a posi. So a good, clean, solid car, and I'm telling you, this paint is second to none. Gorgeous color, old school hot rod. Go to volocars.com and talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Galaxie delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. And this car is very affordable. It's not going to break the bank. Shop up the road would charge almost what we're asking just for this paint job. Thanks for watching.